Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to introduce to you how to do inking in Office 365 such as in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Okay, I have now here a document, so it's in Microsoft Word. Now as you can see on your ribbon, there is now a new option of draw. Now the draw would be your inking, so you have your eraser, you have your pen. This is now your pen in another color, so you have two pens and then a pencil and then an highlighter, and then this is now an action pen. So I'm going to use a pen, so you can change the color of this one. There are options on what you change. So I'm going to use blue because the given is, and then you can choose the thickness. However, I'm going to use the second thickness. Okay, now, this is an activity in math, so solve the expressions to show your solution. So technically, you can now give this one to your student. So I'm gonna go with this one. So 3x times 4x. So as you can see in the process, 3x times 4x. So technically, I believe everyone knows FOIL, and then plus 3x. I'm using my mouse times negative 5. Now I'm going to do now minus 2 times 4x minus 2, then have now negative 5. So that's how you do now inking. So this is the thing that you can demonstrate to your student, or when you do some on a practicality that you need to see their students would have on their retention, because inking is a very good one, especially on you're doing your presentation. So this is one way. So if you continue in everything, so this is much easier. Now let's go to Excel. So I prepare a spreadsheet here. So for example, if you want them to identify and make some notes about the data, so once again, on the ribbon, there's a draw as well. However, this is some kind of they didn't put the pencil. So for example, this one you can choose also different colors and thickness. So I'm gonna use pink. So for example, I'll have this one. So I'm gonna put some inking here, so it's much easier. So it's now the highest for ice cream. For example, you can now put some. Okay, they can have this one highest in ice cream. So mostly they can put on some notes. So you can give them, so student and teachers can make notes on that, and you can put some highlight. Okay, I can highlight this one as well. So for this one, so thickness as well could be used. However, okay, it's working with this one. So that's the highlight, how you're gonna highlight those things. Okay, now next, let's go to PowerPoint. In PowerPoint as well, so let me just create a new document, a new PowerPoint. Now, as you can see on the draw, if for example, I'm going to have a form, I'm going to have a map. Let's have some map, or for example, a body. So let me just insert an online picture. For example, I'm using no image, respiratory system. For example, this one. So it's now putting it here. So that's all. Those are things. If you want to give emphasis while you're presenting, you can put that on the lobe. So that's how it works. So it would work. You can do that as well on your presentation. You can look at that on my other video, which is how I do on PowerPoint recording. However, you can give emphasis if you have some image. So that's how you're gonna go on inking. It's much easier now because of the draw ribbon in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And it's also available in your Office Online. So let's look at that. So when we have this one, let me just have my Office for a while. Okay, let me have this one. So let's open now office.com. So you can see whenever you open now a Word, let me open now a Word, a PowerPoint. So you can see the draw tool is already there as well. I hope that demonstration of inking would help you and would entice you to use this one in your teaching and in your learning, because inking would really help us in making some retention and making meaning of what we're learning and what we are teaching. I hope you learned something with this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day. If you have questions, just drop in the comments down below, and I will answer it. Thank you very much.